What if I told you that millions of people over 50 are sitting on one of the most powerful retirement wealth-building tools ever created? And most of them have absolutely no idea it exists. Even worse, some retirees are paying thousands more in taxes every year because nobody ever told them about it. Imagine spending decades saving for retirement, doing everything you were told, contributing to a 401k, opening an IRA, cutting expenses, only to discover there was another strategy quietly hiding in plain sight. A strategy that could potentially create tax-free income later in life. Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because this hidden retirement account might completely change how you think about retirement planning. A few years ago, a financial advisor shared a story about two neighbors who retired within months of each other. Both earned similar incomes. Both saved diligently. Yet 10 years into retirement, one was worrying about taxes and shrinking income, while the other enjoyed greater flexibility and more control over his money. The difference wasn't how much they saved, it was where they saved it. The account we're talking about is the Roth IRA. Now, before you click away thinking you've heard this before, here's the shocking part. Many people over 50 either never opened one, stopped contributing years ago, or assume it's too late to benefit from it. That's a costly mistake. Unlike traditional retirement accounts, where taxes may be waiting for you in retirement, qualified Roth IRA withdrawals can be completely tax-free. Think about that for a moment. After decades of worrying about future tax rates, having a source of tax-free retirement income can be incredibly powerful. And here's where it gets even more interesting. If you're 50 or older, you may qualify for catch-up contributions, allowing you to put away more money each year than younger savers. Even if retirement is approaching faster than you'd like, you still have opportunities to strengthen your financial future. Quick question. Are you learning something new so far? If you are, take a second to hit the like button. It helps more people discover information that could genuinely improve their retirement years, and it tells me you're enjoying the video. Now, let's clear up another misconception. Many people believe retirement planning ends once they reach their 50s. In reality, this is often the most important decade for making smart financial moves. Some individuals even convert portions of traditional retirement savings into Roth accounts over time, creating a future pool of tax-free money. It's not a magic trick, and it's not right for everyone, but it's a strategy many wish they had explored sooner. The real secret isn't just the Roth IRA itself. The secret is understanding that retirement isn't only about how much money you accumulate, it's about how much money you actually get to keep. Taxes, timing, and flexibility matter just as much as the size of your nest egg. So if you're over 50, don't assume you've missed your chance. The best financial move isn't always the newest trend or the hottest investment. Sometimes it's the powerful tool that's been available all along, waiting to be used. If this video opened your eyes to a retirement strategy you hadn't fully considered, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future insights. Also, drop a comment below and tell me, had you heard about this retirement account before today? And don't forget to share this video with someone over 50 who deserves to know this secret before it's too late.